Flicker was a small sprite who lived in the Whispering Woods. Her days began with the first rays of sunlight filtering through the leaves. She would wake in her nest, made of soft moss and dandelion fluff. Each morning, Flicker flew to the crystal pond, where she drank the sweet water. The pond was her favorite place, reflecting the sky like a mirror. She spent her mornings collecting dewdrops from spiderwebs. These drops were her breakfast, tasting like tiny bursts of sunshine. After breakfast, Flicker would visit the other creatures in the woods. She would chat with the wise old owl and play hide-and-seek with the nimble squirrels. One day, she found a lost baby bird that had fallen from its nest. Flicker carefully carried the little bird back to its home. The bird's mother was so grateful. She sang a beautiful song for Flicker. Flicker felt a warm glow in her chest, happier than ever. As the sun began to set, she flew back to her nest. The sky was painted with colors of orange and pink. She watched the fireflies begin to twinkle, like tiny stars on earth. Before sleep, she would listen to the forest's soft symphony, the crickets chirping and the wind rustling. Her days were full of small wonders, simple joys, and gentle acts of kindness. They were always magical, just like her.